So, which do you do first? Do you do the mortise or the tenon? Question is, you know, this being the mortise and this being the tenon, when you're getting your setup ready, what do you do? 1, 2, well, let's make it stop. The mortise is usually first. And the reason why is because there's a bit that you use to make this mortise here, okay? That's a constant that doesn't change. Like this hole right here, it's a 1/4 of an inch hole. See that? And the 1/4 of an inch hole is made by a 1/4 inch mortising bit. This is a hollow chisel mortiser. And this is the bit. Here you can see that there's a drill bit on the inside of a very, very sharp chisel. But because this bit here is a constant, meaning this is a 1/4 inch bit, my mortise is going to be a 1/4 of an inch. So I will therefore make my mortise first, and then I will make my tenon to fit my mortise, right? Because your wood thickness might vary a little bit one way or the other. It's up to you as the artisan to remove the right amount of material around your tenon so that you're left with a 1/4 of an inch. So you start with the thickness of the bit here, and you work your tenon to that. So we're going to fit our tenon to our mortise. So our mortise comes first. So the next video, I'm going to go through what it takes to set this mortiser up, because what you have to do is set the bit up in the center. Oh yeah. I could just do that all night. No. That's, no. You cut that out. All right, let's see.